Hi everyone, this is Willie from the Adafolio team, and we're proposing to develop an API for multi-delegation portfolios for Catalyst Fund 6, dApps, and integrations. First, let's cover what multi-delegation is. If you're an ADA holder, you likely have your funds stored in a wallet and delegated to a single stake pool. Multi-delegation is an upcoming Cardano capability that will allow you to split your stake across multiple pools from the same wallet. IOG and the Cardano Foundation are currently in the process of implementing this multi-delegation capability via several Cardano improvement proposals, which can be tracked via GitHub. So why is this important? Multi-delegation allows delegators to split their stake across multiple stake pools. And since the number of blocks that a pool gets elected for each epoch varies, diversifying your stake across several pools can allow you to average out your return on stake, or ROS, each epoch. Additionally, multi-delegation enables delegators to support multiple stake pools that support causes that they value, such as mission-driven pools and community contributors. But with nearly 3,000 active stake pools, how do you go about choosing which pools you want to support? We created Adafolio as a platform for Cardano community members to create and share portfolios of stake pools that they value. Currently available pools range from mission-driven pools, such as charity pools, Ladies of Cardano, African pools, to community-driven pools, such as community developers, content creators, Alonzo testnet participants. We also have several auto-generated lists that are always kept up to date, such as low fee, high pledge, high ROS, small, medium, large pools, and pools that ran during the incentivized testnet. Currently, these portfolios must be created manually, which means maintaining large or frequently changing lists can be cumbersome. There's also no way for downstream applications to ingest these lists automatically. The purpose of our Catalyst proposal is to improve the usability of this community-focused tool by adding an application programming interface, or API, that will allow third-party organizations and services to curate and ingest these portfolios. By providing the service, we'll effectively connect delegators to the pools that support the causes and projects that are important to them. There's two parts to this API. The front-end portfolio creation API will enable automated third-party services to easily create and maintain stake pool portfolios. And the back-end portfolio access API will enable downstream services such as the Daedalus wallet or pool tool to ingest these community-created portfolios and then use them within their application. The Adafolio team consists of 2 engineers who are professional software developers. My background is in astronautical and computer engineering, and I have about 12 years experience doing R&D on Linux-based high-reliability ground and satellite systems. I've also been developing projects on Cardano for about 2 years. And now I'll hand it over to my partner Dylan for the rest of the presentation.
Okay, thanks, Willie. So I'm Dylan. My background is in electrical engineering, more specifically in antennas and radar system design. I also have a minor in computer science, and I started developing on Cardano back in 2019 when setting up the Viper stake pool for the incentivized testnet. We've also more recently participated in the Alonzo testnets, which have now successfully deployed to mainnet. As a team, we've shared several open source tools that were developed during our time working on Cardano. We're also the developers behind the AdaCards NFT project, which we did as part of the larger Adafolio project in general. The NFTs are essentially stake pool trading cards, and they can be used in our fantasy staking game to draft a team of pools and earn points when those pools make blocks. Finally, we've developed a lot of educational content for the community, which we've published to our blog. One of the more interesting projects we did was figuring out how to help folks recover their ITN rewards after they'd lost their seed phrase. We have developed and deployed a working prototype where users can create and share stake pool portfolios. Over 100 diverse portfolios have already been created by members of the Cardano community and shared on adafolio.com. The proposed work will consist of 2 parts. First, we will develop an easy-to-use API for projects and organizations to automate the process of creating custom portfolios hosted by Adafolio. Secondly, we will develop an API for interfacing the curated portfolios with wallets and other services. This API is essential for projects and wallets to consume these community-generated portfolios. We actually already have a simple API for our integration with pooltool.io, but we want to expand this capability to directly interface with wallets and other tools. In summary, our goal is to improve the usability of this community-focused tool by adding an API to allow third-party organizations and services to curate and consume the portfolios. By providing this service, we will effectively connect delegators to the pools that support the causes and projects that are important to them, thereby strengthening both the network and the community. Please check out our proposal on Catalyst and create your own portfolios on adafolio.com. Thanks for listening.